How to edit Guest Folio on Softinn PMS.
Guest Folio contains all charges and payment transactions of a guest's reservation. Check out this video to find out what you can do on Guest Folio page. Log in to Softinn PMS. Scenario 1. Your guest requests to cancel a pre-booked spa services which they had yet to make a payment.
You have created a reservation for spa services. Click on the Guest Folio icon. This is the spa charges of RM100. The guest has not made a payment for RM100. To cancel the spa charges, click on the reverse button. You have successfully reversed the spa charges.
Scenario 2. Your guest requests to cancel a pre-booked spa service that he has paid for.
You have created a reservation with the pre-booked for spa paid.
The spa charges of RM100 have been charged on 17th of November, which payment has been made on the same date.
To cancel the spa charges, click on the reverse button. Click on the Add Refund button to refund the payment of RM100. You will need to fill in the refund amount and choose the right payment account. You have successfully refunded RM100 to the guest.
Scenario 3. Your guest has pre-booked one slot of spa on 19th November. On the next day, she would like to add one slot for her relatives for 20th November.
You have created a pre-booked reservation for spa services paid for one.
The spa charges of RM100 have been charged on 19th November. The payment for spa service has been paid on 19th November too. To add one slot of spa session for her relatives for 20th November, click on the plus charge button.
For the applicable date, you will need to choose the date based on the slot requested by the guest for the spa session. Select the correct item type and insert the spa price. You have successfully added the spa charges.
Click on the plus pay button to add payment.
You will need to fill in the payment received amount and select the right payment account. The payment of RM100 has successfully been reflected. However, you found out that the guest's credit card is not working. She then has decided to pay by cash instead. On the credit card payment, click on the Void button. You can insert the remarks. Then, click on the Void Transactions button. Click on the Show Reversed and Void Transaction button. You shall see that the payment by credit card of RM100 has been voided. This is the voided payment amount at RM100.
Next, you proceed to click on the plus pay button to record the cash received from the guest.
You will need to fill in the payment received amount and select the right payment account. The payment transaction by using cash has been reflected.
Scenario 4. Your guest has pre-booked one slot of spa service and has paid for it.
However, the guest requests to change from spa services to food and beverage. Let's see what you need to do for this scenario on the Guest Folio page. You have created a pre-booked reservation for spa paid for one slot.
The spa charges of RM100 has been charged on 19th of November, which payment has been made on the same date.
Click on the reverse button to cancel the spa services. You can insert the remarks. Click on the Reverse Transactions button. Click on the Show Reversed and Void Transaction button. You shall see that the spa charges have been reversed. This is the reverse transaction for spa and massage charges.
Click on the plus charge button to add food and beverages charges.
You will need to select the correct charge applicable date, where the food and beverage charges is applicable. Then, select the correct item type and insert the price for food and beverage. Click on the Add Charge button. The total charges in the folio have become RM120, but the payment collected was RM200. Hence, making the current balance with an excess of RM80.
To refund the excess balance of RM80 to the guest, click on the Refund button.
You will need to fill in the refund amount and choose the right payment account. The refund payment of RM80 has been reflected. You can send the payment receipt to your guest after adding payment on the Guest Folio page. This is the reservation you created for one night stay.
When the guest paid, click on the Plus Pay button.
You will need to fill in the payment received amount and select the right payment account. You have successfully added the payment. Click on the Generate Receipt button. You will need to tick on List of Payment. Click on the Generate Receipt button. The receipt of payment has been reflected. Click on the receipt list to print. Send the receipt to the guest. Or void the receipt. You can send an invoice to your guest only after checking out the guest on the Guest Folio page. Click on the Checkout button. Click on the Generate Invoice button. The invoice has been reflected. Click on the arrow on the Regenerate Invoice button to print or send the invoice to the guest. By clicking Contact Number, you will be redirected to send WhatsApp to the guest. Hope this video helps on how to edit Guest Folio on Softinn PMS.
Hi guys, thanks for watching. My name is Jingle, a technical intern in Softinn company. My role is to create and maintain Softinn official website. Hope this video helps you. If you like this video, please leave a like and don't forget to share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye!